Hello friends, I'm really excited to continue my mini kit Monday layouts. I am using this very beachy themed kit to work through a couple of pictures from Florida, a couple different situations. So, and I'm also going to go ahead and use this scrap lift right here. It's a fabulous scrap lift. I have an idea for how mine's going to go, but I know it won't end up spot on. It just never will. I think what I did was so far is I chose this popsicle background because I liked all the bright colors, but I really wanted to break it up. So I cut out these 5 3x4 cards from a pattern piece of paper. And I'm going to lay them across there, kind of like how the tags were laid across. And I have these 3 photos here. This is my youngest daughter, Ryan, suntanning on the beach in Melbourne, Florida. I'm going to do something kind of like that underneath there. So I'm going to have kind of a band design begin. And on the scrap lift, it had elements kind of going on a diagonal aside from the band design. So I'm going to go ahead and carry that out. I just don't know much else of what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the next bits and we will see where this design takes me. I hope you like what I come up with. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, so I'm going to work on getting my title in, and it's pretty simple. It's pretty much just Melbourne, Florida. That is where these photos were taken. I think I told you that my daughter's godmother took her for like a day and a half down for a quick Florida trip. Her godmother got to visit her grandmother down there, and Ryan got to soak up some sun. So you saw that I quickly went ahead and put in the 5 cards at the top, and I did just stagger the placement of my photos. That little summer vibes up there is just this really fun little random piece. I got it in a, what was it, freckle fawn, like goodie bag offcut, something like that. So I've had like 5 of them and I'm down to my last couple, which makes me kind of excited that I'm getting them used up. This little popsicle that I'm sticking up, it's another one of these random bits that I have had in kicking around my summer boxes. Or in my summer embellishments, so I'm excited that I'm able to use it up, and it's about spot on for this layout to put more orange in, and it's a popsicle. So then I tried to see if I had a spot to put the Brad in, and I don't believe it got used, but I did use that funny little epoxy little crab there, so he's cute. And I'd really like to use up these little epoxy pieces. They're adorable. So hopefully I'll get some good traction with them this summer. That one's like a little hexagon whale. And he's cute. You know, I have a hard time using these larger epoxy pieces. And I'm not exactly sure why, but I am working my way through the ones I have. I have a ton of these itty bitty ones by Illustrated Faith that I need to start including in with my kits. I mean, they're really, really small, and I think I could use them a lot, but I haven't broken them into them yet, but there's always another kit to be had. So I'm looking at this little exclusive Hip Kit Club's chipboard sheet, and I was able to use this, it's kind of a corally pink piece. I was able to use that over my photo. This chipboard sheet, it is definitely not new. That thing, maybe from 2 or 3 summers ago. I'm not quite sure, but it definitely has been kicking around in my supplies for quite a while. This is the Echo Park sticker sheet that I included with my kit, and I'm finding pieces here and there that I can use from it. It's not from the same collection kit as my papers are, but with them both being Echo Park, or maybe it was Bella Boulevard, the paper, I don't know. Not Bella Boulevard, Echo Park and is Cartabella. They're the same company. Anyway, they're very, very similar tones, so I have found that I can use different pieces from that. And I like that little splish splash as she was oceanside. It's fun. It's like, what can you add to it that's gonna kind of go together. See, look at how much I've used from that sticker sheet. You would think I could just use it up. I see a bunch of red though. I'm gonna have to come up with something to use a bunch of those red stickers on. It is time for it to get out of my stash. But I really do like these kind of tones for the summer. I'm not as much into like the magenta and the purple and all that for summer. I love the oranges and the turquoise and all that kind of stuff. But we'll see what we get used. No idea where this is going to go for the summer. I have lots of good stuff coming up though. I'm excited about the things that I have on target to scrapbook this summer. I'm very excited about it. So I finally got that little pair of flip-flop brads in there. That's been kicking around in my stash for the last couple of years. And I'm looking at this Horizon set of these, they're kind of like shiny puffy stickers, but I don't think I end up using any of them. I think they're beautiful. I just don't end up finding a place for them. So I have this cute little puffy palm tree that's going on there and little popsicles at the top. Kind of working on the popsicle theme, even though she didn't have one in her hand, but you know, I'm using up supplies and I'm having fun, and I am the boss of my whole scrapbook layout. So there you go. I think on the bottom there I have a couple of ice creams. The brown doesn't necessarily go with it, but I thought, when would I find another spot to put a little ice cream cone? So that's the huge thought process that you see there. Now I'm going to go ahead and start auditioning different colors of these sequins because I feel like I need a little bit of shine somewhere on my page. And I have these, what is it, G Studio? These sequins, and I'm telling you, I've been using them, and I got them for 50 cents on a Meijer end cap one day when I was walking through there. And I go to Meijer like once a year, so it was just kind of a happy find. Perhaps they were calling out to me, not quite sure. But they do add that little bit of sparkly shine that I was trying to find, and it's drawing your eye around the page. So I was really excited with the way they turned out. Okay, my friends, I am done with this rather simple layout. It's fun when things come together so quickly, and I think it came together so quickly because of the very strong band design, and I'm also using 3 photos that are approximately 3" by 3". So I have my title here. It's just Melbourne, Florida. Very nice and simple. Tells where they are. And then I have these bits and pieces left over from summer kits from days gone by. I'm telling you, I had this little tiny brad here for years. It's just been kicking around, and it was the last one in some set of brads, so that was fun to use up. Same thing for this orange popsicle here. I have no idea when I got that. And then I have 2 more of these left. This was from some kind of a freckled fawn grab bag from along the way. So once I put 5 different 3x4 cards down, my photos, a title, this was pretty much done. And now while this looks very busy to many, I can agree with that. Look at the squishy puffy. For me, the large photo blocks that don't have a lot going on and the breakup of the color in these 3x4 cards give you kind of like a center focus, and you really can get drawn right into the photos. So I think it's great. I love the way it came out. I'm so enjoying the super bright colors. So I think I have one more layout for Mini Kit Monday left for this month. If I have time, I'll do more because I have a lot more product. So please come back soon to see what I come up with next. I'll have a playlist for my Mini Kit Monday. Also, down below are the links for the rest of the Mini Kit Monday ladies. I'll try to remember to put the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group link there as well. We are having a blast with it. There's so much fun and inspiration, and if you like to see what's going on with other people's kits, you can go ahead and do that too. And there's prizes, and I love prizes. All right, so that's it for now. I will see you soon. Bye-bye, guys.